Right folks, there was talk over at Patreon of doing some Melvins, so we're going to start with Honey Bucket, probably their most famous one. Drop D tuning, so your low E goes down to D. Should match your 4th string, okay? Tonage provided by the new alter pedal from, excuse the pronunciation, Lichtlärm Audio. They're from Germany, and I probably butchered that. Forgive me if I have. Now, for the first section, we've got this. Now, if you catch the A string accidentally, it doesn't matter. You might even want to deliberately go for double stops, right? So that would be... You know, but I don't think Buzz does. I think he goes for a single note there. But, you know, this one's more about vibes, so don't worry too much. So we have this, slowly. Okay, so you're going to deaden the notes down when they're not playing, either with your right hand, palm muted, or with your left hand, or with a combination of both. Doesn't matter, really. Okay, until you get that vibe, right? Then we start to add the 3rd fret. So from the 4th bar, it would be... Okay, you go up to the 3rd fret then. So those 3 bars through. And then the last one is... And you're into the next section. Very slowly, I'll play the whole thing. 3, 4... into that. But Buzz does this quite a cool thing. He uses his 3rd and 1st finger. I'm using my little to play the double stops when you do the... To do that, right? You're just going 4, 1, 4, 1, right? But you go 3rd fret and play... Then you go to the 4th fret. Finish there. There's a bar of 2/4 this time round. When this comes in again, it doesn't do that. It plays it for the full 4 beats. So again. That then rings out for 3 bars. Then there's this cool riff which goes... So slowly we'd have... So... Then you go around this twice. You should know that from before. Then we go to this. Then you're into some palm muted chugs. So again. And then into the chugs, okay? So like I said before, that plays a full bar instead of the 2/4 part. Right, next bit's really cool. Lots of chugging. Basically like that. Open D, right? Again, if you want to catch both strings, go for it. Go around that 4 times. On the 4th time... Then you're into that riff. So the first beat is actually on the 6th fret, right? But it leads in just before, right? So that's 7, 4, 7, 5, 6. Again, I'm using my little figure there. I think Buzz uses his third, but, you know, it's a bit of a stretch for me. And note there, those are not palm muted. That 8 times, singing comes in, do it another 8 times, and from that you go into this. And then back around. So that's cool. We go power chord there on the 6th fret. And then 8th notes to the next bar. Around again. With this fill though. And here, I hear on the album 4th fret 5, 4th fret 5. But I've seen him teaching it like that. I don't think that's what's played on the album though. I think he might just be playing it that way now. I don't know. Either sound good. Then it continues. And back around again, right? I think those are all the parts. You then go into this again 4 times. Do that 4 times. Then the verse comes in again, but you do, so this is verse 2 now, and you palm mute the whole lot, I think. Then you go around this little phrase to end. And you are done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.